Hello, welcome to my vlog. Today I want to start my vlog. Now I go to my duty time. 4 p.m. start. 4 p.m. start. So now I have to leave out because my workplace then accommodation duration 20 minutes. That's why I have to come early. So I'm from Nepal. I live in Saudi Arabia for 4 years and a half as a coffee maker. So I want to explore the daily life, how survive in Saudi Arabia as a coffee maker. So why I am doing blog? Because people I meet from many countries, everyone is in Saudi Arabia. How long have you been living? If they are not survive the good, doesn't feel the good, always be upset, always be upset. That's why also I live in Saudi Arabia. So I think it's now for me is the right timing for blogging because even if I not my in Saudi Arabia, I don't have this content how to survive daily life. So I live in Saudi Arabia. That's why I can. That's why I can make the video. Also, even I survive the in Saudi Arabia daily life, like the way, like the this. It's totally different. Is the weather. Our country, then Saudi Arabia, we cannot compare about the weather. It's Saudi Arabia is most without tree. We have the air, but it is not like fresh air. Our country, so we have the home, but not like same like the home because before we also I have the content and expectation versus reality exploring. That's why we expectation we look in Saudi Arabia in the internet. We just look in city, that's Riyadh, but it's not the reality. It's Saudi Arabia. You can work. You have to must be work any place. Depend on you from where you get the you employer. Employer you where is living or have the business. Depend on there. Must be you go this place. So I want the people to expectation versus reality exploring how is the we survive. Just like we without friend, without family, just to day by day work. No have enjoy time, no have the spend with family time, that have the time spend with friend. Just work depend on your place, how much hour you work daily. Just work, go sleep, then you can start to think overthinking. That's why not all of you. Everyone is be like that daily life. So day by day you can take the handle the easy how the situation you face, how you can survive daily life. Which come in the first time that person is, I think, have the some problem because doesn't know Saudi Arabia actually what. Because we came for work, it's not for come enjoy, not come for anything. So now weather in Saudi Arabia is change the time, change the weather. Winter finish, now we start the summer. So that's why beginning day by day become hot. Also I feel hot. When I come before room outside, inside room I stay in the AC. So that's why I feel good. Now I came outside, almost 15 minutes left. So my body become almost hot. So also I can feel the hot. So it is very peaceful in the inside the road. I walking the separate way. Although I have this one is big line road. This is highway, but I don't want to this walking this video because this road is very disturbing to me. It's good, but just worry because I making the video. That's why I become the disturbing. I think I have to close my camera because my video just 10 minutes to 15 minutes. That's why I have to close the camera. So this is my content. It's not. I don't have the full people watch my video. I don't know if watch, it don't watch, but if watch, he liked really my video because I explain the expectation versus reality in Saudi Arabia. What we survive the daily life. Now temperature hot 37. Before I came duty, I was check 37 temperature. It's hot. If without gloves, I think it's not possible. Look the camera. So I have to check how long time we have. 11 minutes. 8 minutes. Now weather is become beginning summer. So I feel also the hot also really this place is the now summer is starting. So it's a coffee maker. We survive daily life like that. Just go duty, just come back, sleep, again go tomorrow duty. We survive the alone. Because I start the language the English because not understand the people my block. So I think make it easy to people understand my block. What I exploring actually what is my block content. When I start that time I will start the Nepali language, but now I start English. So I survive like that. So also people can take the more advice from my this video how to survive the daily life in Saudi Arabia as a coffee maker. Not for Nepali people, with all of country. So I think I have to close the camera now because my timing going out. My video I make just 10 minutes to 15 minutes. I have to close my camera. Okay. Time enough to farming.